what I got over here today? Well, today, this is a power generator. Well, runs on battery, no gas. Battery wise, it's 62,500 milliamp per hour, about 200 watts. Indication running from how many hours I have left. Power. A cool light that keeps changing color, but you can set the color you want. Right from USB Type C, quick charge, USB, everything, lighting. 110 volts. Two outlets are 110 volts. It's good in case emergency. Super portable. All right, let me show you this right now. All right, so we had the power generator. Okay, Pro. So what we get? We get the power supply, 110, 240 to charge with the car, and instructions how to use it. All right, very important. This is not meant for the 24 volt battery. It's only for 12 volts, right? If you're gonna charge it with the car. Few things here I want to go over. If you charge it with AC adapter, it takes about 8 to 9 hours. If you're gonna use a cigarette lighter, about the same, 8 to 9 hours. It compatible with solar panel, 50 watt, 6 to 8 hours. Or other. So if you put the solar panel in and during the day, it gets full charge, right? So and if you're in camping, so you can always put during the day charging with a solar panel, and it's ready at night. And very important, it's pure silent wave, and that's how much you get. 60 to 100, 500 milliamp per hour, about 3.7 volts. If you're gonna be charging other devices. Weighs exactly 87 ounces. All right, now pretty simple. From here, and what you see in this spot right over here, that's the watch, and that's this one show you 62 hours at this point. So 62 hours, right? 0 watt in battery needs to charge. Now what I did it, what I turn on now is the USB ports. So talk about USB ports. What we get the QC quick charge Type C, Type A quick charge, and 5 volt 3.1 amp. If I press here, let me turn it on back again, and we got 5 volts, and you have 5 volts everywhere there. So we have to turn it on to get that on. All right, so that's about there. Here, so you have a 2 DC output, so 12 volts input, 2 ACs, and cigarette lighter. So in case you have some portable device from your car, you can plug it here. Let's say like a vacuum, a drop light. It goes in the car there. All right, so we're gonna plug here, plug it in the input, and then you get the information there and how long it's going to take to charge. You have to wait, so we need to wait to get full. All right, so I'm charging now through the AC. Now this is for the car. Remember, it's only made for 12 volts. So you plug this in the car, and you can charge the device if you have to. I will recommend before you go anywhere, make sure you a full charger. And another thing on this type of battery, UPS, anything across the board, if you only use, let's say, like if only a few times a year or only one time a year when you go camping, yeah, make sure your schedule, and every 3 months just go and charge it again. So that way you extend the battery. If you leave it for 1 year, when you come back, it's fine, but eventually lose the power or kind of no longer going to hold the battery. So if you have any of this type of battery, UPS or anything, just charge every 3 months. Put a little schedule, grab it from the shelf, plug it in, let it charge for the day, whatever, put it there. Next day, take it off, and that's it. Put it back. 3 months later, you do that, or at least 3 times a year. That way, this will be always ready for you, and you extend the battery and many years. For AC, we need to turn here first, then we're gonna turn the AC. All right, and little fan kicks in, right, and we see there AC. We can check the voltage here. Should be about 110, so 108, 113 volts. It can go all the way from 110 all the way to 127. Not this, but sometime at home we got 127. We have the output there, and we can put here a light, and it's on. So this one, how many hours have I got left here? So we can see here, this will consume about 7 7 watts. This is 350 lumens LED. So this way about 22 hours. If I leave this light there, I will have that for 22 hours. That's a real nice design. And let me show you this way. When you go and press that once there in the top, first we got to turn it on, by the way. We turn it on and I'm going to press the light there. See, and it will change color. So if I want that color, I'm going to press it once and it stays that blue color and it will change all. And if you want to cycle the color, press bounce again. And I said that pink color, I'm going to press again. And then you get that color. So it's cool, I guess, for camping. If you want the white color, we'll zoom the stars in the beginning and just go and turn the light on. All right. So let me turn that off. And that's it. I think it's a real cool battery backup, right? AC battery backup, just to have just anything, travel, emergency, picnic. Well, it's good. See you next time. Bye.